I'm just gonna go and pick some apple. It's September and they're ready. Easily pick some off the tree. So I'll be having some nice crunchy apple. You can see where the bird tried to pick in it. So let me go and get my basket because I didn't walk with it. So let me go and get something to put them in. Yeah. Tomato that burn off. So I will try to get some of them for myself because they can still eat. And there's loads right here. Cherry tomato. I'm just tried to take the vine, but everything dropped off. And I want to try and get this cabbage here. Oh, it's so hard. Let me get something to help with it. So I might cut it from there. Save all the bending down. And then, oh God, I don't know how to cut it again. I'll just break it. I can't stop the video. And those are just some tomato all over. So I will give the duck some of these tomato. I will keep some for myself. And I will give the duck these one because they like tomato and that one. So I'll keep some and give the duck some. And I have a nice cabbage over there, need picking soon. And this is some sweet corn here. Let me just drop them there. If they can reach that. This is my sweet corn. Picking, you can see guys, sweet corn is ready. I did want it to go to seed, but it's so wetty out here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. There's the next sweet corn right here. It's beautiful. It's quite soft. It's still soft, even though I did want it to go to hard so I can use the seed. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. There's some more here. I wouldn't think of this would be the case, but yeah, this is it guys, sweet corn. I might just get all of them. And then I've got some more there, but I'll leave them. So I got that one already. Take that one already. Take that one. This one is tiny, but let's see. Let's see what's in there. Oh no, it's young. It's still got like 5 or 6 grain. I'm still gonna eat it. Still will have it. So I'll leave the rest because they might get young. And my, what you call this now? Brown cherry. Just picking a few of them. One drop. It's right here. And what else? Some more brown cherry over there. It's alright, you can stop it now.